Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is resume writing. With so many people looking for jobs, a well-crafted resume can make all the difference. If you're good at writing and organizing information, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of resume formatting and keyword optimization. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per resume, depending on your experience. To stand out, focus on creating clean, professional designs that align with your client's branding. You can find work on platforms like LinkedIn or Upwork. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a steady income stream. Next is customer services. As more businesses go online, the demand for remote customer service representatives is skyrocketing. If you're good at communication and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Zendesk or live chat. Many companies pay $15 to $30 per hour for customer service roles. To get started, offer your services on platforms like remote.co or Indeed. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is app development. With the rise of smartphones, there's a growing demand for app developers who can create functional and user-friendly apps. If you're tech savvy and love problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per app, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for performance. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Fourth is t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom t-shirts and sell them online without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many designers earn $5 to $20 per sale, depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Finally, let's talk about lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and if you can help them find leads, you're in demand. As a lead generator, you'll research and provide contact information for potential clients. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services. To stand out, focus on delivering high-quality leads and building relationships with clients. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with small businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative niche. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose resume writing, customer services, app development, t-shirt design, or lead generation, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.